Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. 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 Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself.
Alright, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this wig, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so the unit that I'm rocking was sent to me by Hermosa Hair. Shout out to you, Hermosa, and I hope I be saying that right. Is it Hermosa? Child, yeah, I guess. Shout out to you, Hermosa, for sending me this unit, y'all. Hermosa always come through with the come through. I actually probably have 3 consecutive videos from this company because, honey, okay, they just be coming through with it. So, once again, shout out to you, boo. Now, let's get into the details and specs about this unit that I am rocking. Okay, so on their site, it says brown wig, number 4 colored, human hair, 13x4 brown lace front wig in straight and body wave hairstyle. This unit is available in 12 to 30 inches. They did state to me that they were going to send me 26 inches, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. So they sent me 26 inches, and then it's available in straight and body wave. I obviously have it in a body wave texture, and they have it in a 13x4 150, a 13x4 180, a 13x4 220% density, and the The 150s and all that, that's the density. A 5x5 wig in 150% density and a 5x5 wig in 180. I have the 13x4 in the 220% density. It says on their site, it says 13x4 HD lace front wig, straight and body wave. It's available in 150, 180, and 220% density. It's in the color number 4 brown. It's HD lace. It's an average cap size. And it says universal cap size, adjustable size for most people. Okay, so those are the details and specs. Now this unit is definitely HD lace. I want to go ahead and just let you guys look at this lace. And oh girl, she woke up like this.
I woke up like this. It's flawless.
You guys know I love that. Like, she woke up like this. I did not tweeze this unit. I did not have to do any extraness to this wig as far as the hairline go, because you guys know your girl hates to tweeze a wig. So I did bleach the knots. Honestly, the knots weren't that bad, but I decided to bleach it anyway. I think you could get away without bleaching them, but I did. So once I bleached the knots, obviously I washed out all the curls, but the waves were waving, honey, prior to that. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I have not experienced any of the tings. That's not to say, oh girl won't do any of the things at some point. Just as straight out of the packaging, she is not. I also want to mention, as far as it being big head friendly, I do feel like it's very big head friendly. Not very. I do feel like this unit is big head friendly. With Hermosa hair, all their units almost fit me like perfectly. I do usually have to tend to cut a lot around here and all of that stuff. With their wigs, it's always like a perfect fit, which makes it really, really easy to apply units from this company. Like, shout out to y'all for that. So yeah, that's that. And that's pretty much it as far as details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as a full 360 and lint check, then please continue to watch. All right, so my con is going to be my standard con. It's going to be that it's a 13x4. As you guys can see, I did do the C part, which makes it so much better when wearing 13x4s. I have seen a lot of you guys comment down below about the C parts, and yes, you know, yes, honey, okay, C parts have definitely like changed how I feel about 13x4s, but it's still, when I can't find a con, that's gonna be the con. It's gonna be the con anyway, but if I really can't find a con, that's gonna be the one, okay? So I'm gonna throw that out there as well. My pros with this unit is, first, let's start with the color. If you know me, then you know I love a number 4. And I love a number 4 because that is my natural hair color that I have not been able to get back from all the dye jobs that I did. From the big chop that I did, my hair came back super dark. I don't know what happened to my number 4, okay? But I love to get a number 4 unit because I remember being younger, and when I would get braids and stuff, that was the color that my grandma would get. It would always have to be a number 4. That's how sandy my hair was. And I did not appreciate that hair color back then, but child, if I could get it back, I would. So yeah, I also love that it came pre-tweezed, because you know your girl do not like being like pre-tweezing a unit. And I like the layers in this wig. I don't know if you can really see it, but I didn't have to cut anything extra with this unit. And I love that as well, because if I can keep a unit in its natural state, then I like to. So shout out to them for that as well. Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. It is almost fall, girl. And I feel like number 4 hair, 99Js, all of the things just give fall vibes. So I would definitely recommend this unit for the color alone, but I also recommend it for the hairline and how easy it is to apply units from this company. Even if you don't get this unit, just check out Hermosa hair. I doubt you would be disappointed at all, sis. Okay, at all. All right, y'all, so let me give you guys this full 360 and lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I am curious about you guys' thoughts and opinions. Sound off in the comments down below. Once again, shout out you, Hermosa, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly, truly do appreciate it. At this point, I am probably on vacation. I will have a life update coming soon, so you guys can check that out and know why I'm on vacation. But I do appreciate Hermosa for sending me this unit and just rocking with your girl. Shout out to you, boo. Also, if you are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And your girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every style and we